Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial on processing a shift end on the Operator app. To begin, simply press the Extras button, and then scroll down to the Manager Actions section and press the Shift End icon. The Shift End pop-up will appear, allowing you to enter the amount of cash in the till at the end of the day. Once this is entered, press Submit. If you have a printer connected to the Operator app, this will then print your shift end receipt. If you wish to proceed without a printer, you can still press yes to complete the shift end. On the confirmation screen, simply press yes to process your shift end in full. You'll then receive a confirmation message to confirm that the shift end has been performed successfully, and then press OK to return to the main login screen of the Operator app. Once all operators have completed a shift end, if more than one Operator app device is in use, you can then press the day end icon and enter the relevant passcode for a member of staff with the permissions to do so, to then complete the day end. Again, you can choose to proceed without a printer if required. You'll then receive a confirmation pop-up to confirm that the day end has been completed, and then press OK. Thanks for watching.